So what advice would you give, for people in making friends abroad? Just be open.
Yes. I think it's just be yourself. Don't try to be someone who else you're not. Don't try to fake an accent. It just doesn't look good. I think be honest. Be the person you are. If you don't like something, if you haven't watched a movie, just be like, yeah, I haven't watched it. Or I don't like that. I like this. I don't like that. If you pretend to be someone else, there's going to be a lot of internal conflicts, and you're not going to enjoy when you're there. Just be yourself. And so the thing is, if they accept you the way they are, keep them, right? They're amazing. And if the people don't accept you, do you really want to be friends with someone who doesn't accept a person for who they are, right? So just be yourself, express yourself, and just try to connect, right? That's my best advice.
I absolutely agree with that, because we all suffer from imposter syndrome, right?
Yes, a lot of us. So it's very interesting. So, like I said, I'm in MIT, and we get to meet faculty every day. So there's a professor who is the director of cancer research at MIT, and he was like, "I have imposter syndrome, and 70% of the scientists have imposter syndrome." So I feel like if we all have imposter syndrome, it's normal. It's okay. We just don't feel like we're good enough ever. Right. So just be yourself. You're already there where you belong, and just be yourself. You belong there, right?
100%.